Greetings, Earthlings!
Hello. Hello. Hello.
We've got Little Bee.
Panda. And Monkey here.
We did do a video last week, except I messed up and it didn't save. So that's okay. We've got Sakura Box here yet again. Each one of you are going to pick out one treat from it, and we're going to try them out. So pick out a treat. Okay. I'll be sure to clip this out later. Alright, first of all, we got this one, which is called Niracho Soft. Mini DIY candy soft serve ice cream set with 3 mini candy ice cream cones. Ingredients and tools. Flavors, strawberry, and soda. Alright. Sakura Peanuts, aka chocolate peanuts. So what's the other one? Chocolate moon rocks? Yeah, moon rock chocolates. So they look like little rocks, but they're chocolates. Then I picked out one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh wait, no, there it is. It's called Warugaki beer. Wow. Non-alcoholic powdered drink something sachet derived from fruit juice, caramel color, and malt extract. Warugaki means naughty kid. So this is naughty kid candy. Only the bad kids eat that.
First we're going to start with these.
I don't know.
Maybe we guys start with these.
Okay, fine. We'll start with those.
Because I never taste one of those. I hate peanuts. Well, we're going to try it. We're going to try it.
Just try. Give it an honest opinion. Here you go.
Don't taste yummy.
There you go. All right, here we go. Hold on. We'll save those for later.
Don't taste yummy.
That does taste good.
I'll give that a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Tastes like chocolate peanuts to me.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 from
9
Monkey.
out of 10.
9 out of 10 from Panda. I mean, you can't go wrong with chocolate-covered peanuts. They taste good.
Yeah, they taste good. I tried them before.
All right. Next, the moon rocks.
Moon rocks? I never tasted them.
Yep. This is what Panda picked. All right.
I never tasted moon rocks.
There you go.
I wonder what they taste like.
There you go.
Oh! We
There
got
you go.
stuck together.
All right.
They taste like M&M's. Yeah. Tastes like M&M's.
10 out of 10. If it kind of tasted like M&M's, which is of course M&M's is a 10 out of 10 too.
Tastes like Kit
Yeah,
I like
it just tastes like a chocolate treat.
I like it.
But I like the fact that it looks like actual rocks. Like, if you look at that, it looks like a rock.
I give it a 100 out of 100.
A 100 out of 100. Okay. What do you give it?
I give it a 20 out of 10.
20 out of 10. All right.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Legit. All right. I give it a, yeah, just thumbs up out of 10. Stop.
But they're yummy. I can't.
I know they are, but we got other stuff to try, you crazy little wooble. Niracho Soft. Boop. All right. So let's see how we have to do this one. This one is kit, so I'm gonna have to set it up first. While I do that, we'll be right back. All right, this is what it looks like inside the package. You've got like 3 little sugar cones and some stuff and a spoon.
Wait.
Stuff in a packet.
Can I?
How do I do this? Yeah, add the powder, empty contents into tray provided.
And then you make ice.
Add around 10 milliliters of water and use the provided spoon to mix well. Once the mix becomes fluffy, spoon it into some cone and eat and repeat. How can you repeat?
Repeat right over and over again.
Alright, well, you've got water. I'm going to have to borrow your water.
Me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now we put it. Here's my water.
Thank you.
Water.
Sit down. Let me do this. This is going to be a little bit messy, so let me take care of this.
It looks like a big volcano. It looks like a mountain of shit.
All right, let's look at that. Bazoo.
It
just
looks like a big mountain of water. But it's a little powder.
All right.
It looks like
I may have added too much. I don't know.
It looks like snow.
It looks like 10 milliliters to me.
Looks like snow. It might taste like vanilla.
I think I added too much water. No, wait. It's just.
Hey, it looks like ice cream.
Oh, okay.
Dude, that's make it poofy. That's how I make it poofy.
It's so fluffy.
Can I taste it?
Like, legit. Look at this. No. You can taste it once it's in ice cream cone, because I'm going to give all 3 of you one. For this, I'm not going to participate, because there's only 3 cones. I might try the floofy stuff, but that's about it. I'm going to get this on the cones now. All right. Yeah. Yeah. All right, there you go. No, wait.
I want to eat it.
Wait. All of you gotta wait. Once I get all 3 to you guys, then you can try. All right, there's yours.
Okay, the last one, and I can eat it.
Just wait. So cute. You need patience.
I'm just kidding.
All right, there you go.
Okay, let's try it. 3. What? Count 3.
Let me get some on the spoon.
2, 1.
All right, go for it.
That tastes yummy.
Good.
Just like soda to
That's
me.
very sweet. Yeah, I think this is the soda flavored one because the other one is strawberry, which I believe is pink.
I give it a 10 out of 100. I give it
Okay, I love
a
that.
10 out of
That's good.
100.
It's very sweet for me,
Can I have the
but I like
Actually-
it. No lie.
Actually, I'll give that like a 21 out of 10.
You know what? Whoever wants a rest, who wants a rest?
The 21 out of 10. 10.
Enjoy.
I give that a 20 out of 10.
Now hold on, before we finish
I give it
with
a
that,
20.
we've got one more candy, the one that I chose.
Yes, one of these.
Can I show it?
How do you do this?
I don't know.
You have to pour it into a drink.
Oh yeah, to a drink. So I want it in mine. I wonder what it tastes like. I can't have it in mine.
Hold on. We'll be right back. I gotta grab something. I might need that spoon again. Where'd that spoon go?
And you might get a.
I think it fell in there. Yeah.
I'm sorry, you need to lick it.
Okay. I'm good.
I don't want it. I want it.
Okay. Here, let me see. So it's like a drink packet, basically. Kind of like
Yeah.
Kool-Aid.
Yeah,
How
kind of like
much do I need?
Kool-Aid
How much
or
does
like
it pour in
Pepsi.
there?
Looks like Coca-Cola.
Right over here.
Stop.
I don't think I need this much water. Hold on.
I want to trade Coke like that one. Oh,
All right, that seems good.
you would
All right.
fill water with that.
So you take this and you pour it into
Yes.
something like this,
We have no idea.
and it makes a thing.
It makes a
Thing.
Instructions.
A monster smell.
All right,
What is the mustache man?
you have a mustache. You have an amazing mustache.
No, it was just me, a kid.
You were in disguise this whole time?
A
I had no
Volgadabba.
idea.
I got a Volgadabba Vol. What's
It
that?
doesn't smell bad.
Smells
I
like
wanna smell.
lemonade.
It does.
I wonder what
Oh
it
my-
smells.
What is that smell?
It smells like cat poop.
Do I have to pour all of it in
It
there?
smells like cat pee.
Probably smells like that kind of lemonade Sprite.
Lemonade Sprite, yeah. I think it's
Yeah, I drink
lemonade Sprite. Wonder what happened.
All right, I'm gonna just pour all of it.
Oh. Oh my god, that looks like apple juice. That looks like apple juice. It's
kind of.
Oh my god, it's fizzing. It's fizzing. Come on, chill.
I think
Cat's
that's
messing with the thing.
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. It is...
It's a volcano!
It's very fizzy.
Stop. Very fizzy. It's gonna blow up. It just blowed up.
Okay. That is really cool looking though. Like,
that
look
looks like a volcano.
Look at how it looks.
That looks like a slushy. It looks like a slushy.
It looks like beer.
It looks like root beer.
Or a really fizzy apple juice. But this is non-alcoholic. This is simply a... It smells sweet. It smells really good. You want to smell?
Smells like prime lemonade.
I thought it smelled like pineapple or something.
It smells like prime.
Oh, there
lemonade.
it goes. Look at it.
It
Now
smells
it's
like prime lemonade.
like it's got
prime
its own
lemonade.
fizz to it. That is so cool.
It smells like
All right.
prime lemonade. It smells like prime lemonade. I can't believe this is prime lemonade.
It's not prime lemonade, silly boo.
It smells like prime lemonade.
Chill.
You need the cool cup.
All right.
Look,
So we all get to try this now. Enjoy. I love the way you're holding your cup, by the way, like it's a goblet of power. There you go. Drink that.
Tastes yummy. I said nope, I'm out of stuff.
It just tastes like a soda. Like ginger ale or something.
I really want some more.
Huh?
I really want some more now. I want.
What? Yeah? A little bit more? Alright. There we go. Cheers, everybody.
I'm like, nope, I'm out of here.
Ching, ching, ching. There we go.
I'm like, nope, I'm out of here. And then I came with me.
I like that cup.
I want
Stop.
the speed.
I like it though. Like it tastes really good. It's really
Like-
sweet though. But I like the whole like ordeal. Like you get to pour it into the water, you get to mix it. It becomes like its own little fizzy drink. All right, that was awesome. I hope you guys have a great time. It's just grabbing more candy. And right, we will see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye. Everybody say bye.
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 Bye.